Welcome to today's edition of TV Wolf.
Today is Thursday, the 26th. It is a big day and a Signet 5 day.
Would everyone please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please remain standing for the Wolfpack Pledge.
I will honor myself and I will take ownership for my actions. I will demonstrate and excellent work all that I do. I am responsible for my own learning. I'm responsible for our school. We are tracking a path towards excellence. And now for the moment of silence. Welcome back. Today for lunch we will be having Harvestland beef hot dog bun with chili, steak and cheese stromboli with dipping sauce, cheesy bread, and curly fries.
Today's weather will be partly cloudy with a high of 55 and a low of 35.
This is a message from your Lake Ridge Middle School library. Don't be overdue. Return or renew. Teachers, please pass out library overdue notices this morning. If you have a book that is overdue, you can drop it in the return box in the hallway or come into the library and renew. Don't delay. Return or renew today. Due to testing, the library will be closed until 8:30 a.m. for the rest of the week. Students may join the walking club in the gym.
The library will be closed after school on Thursday, January 26th. The library will not be available for students on Thursday. Please plan accordingly. We need help with your schoolwork. NJHS peer tutoring is available on Tuesdays and Thursdays after school from 3 to 4 p.m. Sign up outside Mr. Scalo's room, number 1220 and B hallway for help. 1202.
Our school store is open every day from 7:45 to 8:10 a.m. Where? Right next to guidance. Stop by on the way to class and grab some pencils and paper to get your day started. Don't forget, our spelling bee will be tonight at 7 p.m. in the LRMS cafeteria. Friends, family, and faculty are invited to attend to cheer your favorite speller on to victory.
The next chess tournament will take place on Saturday, February 11th at Montclair Elementary School. If you are interested in participating, flyers may be picked up in the front office. See Ms. Proctor Dunn for more information on specialty programs. Reminder, applications for any specialty program has to be completed before Wednesday, February 1st. Late applications will not be accepted.
8th graders, now's the time to upload your baby pictures for the yearbook. Go to hjeshare.com and enter school code LRMS Wolves to submit your baby pics. See the LRMS website for more info.
Don't miss it, Wolf. Hashtag Howler student newspaper is on sale today and Friday in our cafeteria for 50 cents. It's a deal. Wow! This month's outstanding wolves are 6th graders Ava Gomez from Team Fuego, William Witt from Team Elite, Mackenzie Mann from the All-Stars, Justin Valdez from Team Pride.
7th graders, Ethan Morlou from the Alpha Wolves, Nicole Morado from Positive Pack, Soraya Kabir from Team High Voltage, and Anna Hendricks from the Wolf Squad.
5, 6, 7, 8. Newspapers! Yeah! Go! 5 them now! H-O-W-L-E-R now! 5 them now! Let's go! Let's go!
8th graders Navani Howard from the Challengers, Isabel Rodriguez Pineda from Team Freedom, Mateus Esquivel from Team Pack, Caroline Monaco from the Greatest. Congratulations to these hardworking students.
On Tuesday, February 21st at 7 p.m., the LRMS SEA will be hosting the 2016-2017 Talent Show. Tryouts are next week in room 1507. Sign up outside Mr. Menser's room 1507 or E12. Tryouts Wednesday, February 1st at 3 p.m. No activity bus will be available.
Tryouts Thursday, February 2nd at 3 p.m. Activity bus available. Sign-ups are required. When signing up, remember that there are two mandatory rehearsals. Rehearsal schedule can be found on the sign-up sheet. Think big, as there will be some big prizes.
Thanks for watching this edition of TV Wolf. I'm Nicholas Peru.
And I'm Taryn Pomeroy.
Thanks for tuning in and have a great day.